Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are discussing our favorite home fitness and exercise products. This, you guys, is a rollout agility ladder, and I absolutely love this. This is great for any of your CrossFit style workouts, your boot camps, just adding something new into your workouts. It is super fun. It is great for all ages, all ability levels. You are going to be able to find workouts that are new, creative, and that you really enjoy. This is just challenging for your cardiovascular fitness, your coordination, your stamina, all of that. This is going to be a great tool. What I like about this more than traditional agility ladders is it's going to resist against bunching up. It's not going to be a tripping hazard, so it's going to be really super safe. It also, it rolls right up, like it's made out of rubber, so it rolls right up into kind of like the size of a yoga mat. So it's easy to put away, store away when you're not using it, and it rolls out super fast, super quickly. Again, it is resistant to bunching up, so it's going to be super safe for you, and it's made of anti-skid rubber. So again, it's going to protect against those skids and falls and things. So it's exactly what you're looking for in a piece of fitness equipment. It's going to be lightweight, portable, easy to store, and also really safe. This is just something to add, a really fun piece of equipment. Mix up your routine sometimes, especially if you have been stuck doing workouts at home. Sometimes you just get bored doing the same old thing, and this can bring that spice of your favorite CrossFit and your favorite boot camp style classes to your home in a really easy and accessible way. So you guys go ahead, put this in your cart. You're gonna be super happy that you did.